Alright guys, on our way now. Hopefully picking up a smoking deal on some jet skis. I don't know.
Turn left.
Let's find out once we get there. It's a pretty good price, so we'll see what it's all about. Here they are. Just picked these jet skis up. You're looking at a 91 and an 89. These are both 650s. Trailer plus the jet skis, titles for everything. I picked it up for $400. We're pretty sure this jet ski runs. Not too positive about this one, but I do know they've been sitting for years and years. You can see, I think it's got to be at least 2 years. The last in the water, 23. I don't know how much I believe that. I'm gonna take a time lapse and start cleaning these jet skis up, bringing them back to their former glory. You can see, starting to shine up pretty nicely. From that side to this ski, it's totally different. This is still all dirty. Gonna keep on going, but starting to come to life. Look at that in all of its glory. It's pretty much done. That compared to that looks like a whole different jet ski. Wow. Let's see if we can get this one running. Badass. 400 bones, 2 jet skis and a trailer. All right, we got the other one cleaned up. It's definitely not as good as the 91, but it came out decently, you know. It's definitely way more beat up, but this is the one with the most amount of parts. Newer parts. They put the most money into this one, and we're gonna see if we can get this one running first, and then we'll try the XLT.